Here we are at MGMClassicCars.com again in Addison, Illinois. And today I have the pleasure of showing you this 1986 Chevrolet IROC Z 28. This car has a factory 5.0 engine with a manual 5-speed transmission with T-tops. As you can see, the paint is really nice on the car. Not perfect, but really nice with a deep shine, nice reflection. Newer wheels all around. Here are the T-tops that go with the vehicle. New decals are on the car. The glass, the weather stripping, all of that stuff looks really, really good on the car. You got stock cloth, like a darker gray interior as well, which I'll show you guys. The car presents itself very nicely. There you have it. Okay, let's check out the interior portion, but check out this reflection too. I mean, look at this thing. Original door panels, factory pinch welds on the doors. In and outer jambs look good. Look at that reflection, man. Really nice. Power seat, 5-speed, tilt, nice dash, factory radio. There you have it. Let's fire this up. Here's more of the interior before we start it. There's a couple little blemishes in the paint, but you can't really see them, okay? But the reflection is really nice. The back trunk area looks good. Check out this side real quick. That little vent piece is missing. You can get that on eBay. It's a little plastic trim that goes there. But there you have it. Looks good. I just wanted to give you one more swing around on the exterior before I start it. Sounds good. Drives good too. There you have it. So if you need financing, it's not a problem. You will need about $2,500 down payment. You can finance the rest along with your sales tax and your delivery fees. That can be rolled into your loan, but you will need $2,500 down minimum and good credit, okay? Rates start about 7-8%. You can find the credit application at my website at mgmclassiccars.com, upper right-hand corner. Click the Finance tab. Before you do so, let's make sure the car is still available. You can call or text me. I will give you my phone number, okay? For those of you who have a credit score over 800, you will not need any money down. We have those options for you. For delivery, you may call or text. I do prefer text message for a quicker response. My number is 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. If you have any questions, I'll be here for you. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.